for the draft feature, we should have a solid geometry. Okay, so which I have already created, as you can see in my graphic area. Okay, so let's learn the draft feature. Okay, click on draft. You can see there is the type of drafts: neutral plane, parting line, and step drafts. Okay, we will learn these one by one. So let's start from neutral plane. Okay, click on neutral plane, then select neutral plane, face to draft. Which face you want to draft? If you want to draft this face and this face, by selecting faces, you can do the draft. Okay, I have put the 10° of draft angle. So preview, you can see our draft is done with 10°. Okay, so if you want to select the all faces, you can go here with all faces. Now it's taken automatically selected all faces. Okay, you can see. Okay, there are more options: inner faces, outer faces. You can select all inner faces by clicking here. Okay, as you can see, now it is selected inner faces. These are the two faces which I have selected first, and inner faces automatically selected by clicking here. Okay, so just like you can use the neutral plane. Okay, now we will do second draft feature. Okay, so for this, that is parting line. So for that I have to create a second body, which I'm going to create. Okay, now I will create a parting line by the help of split line. Okay, so click sketch here, click OK, then click here, click on split line, then select this line, select the faces for the splitting. I will select all faces, then click up. It should be position here. Okay, okay, now our body is separated. So we'll click now on draft, then click on parting line. Okay, now draft angle will be 10°. Okay, now direction of pull, this face. Okay, and parting line, these are the parting line. Okay, from here you can choose the direction of pull. Okay, like this. So preview. Okay, now you can see, if you will click here for reverse direction, it will be outside. Okay, just like this. Okay, we will do it, we will do edit feature again, then select these parting lines and other faces. It will switch other faces. Okay, as you can see in the preview. Click on other faces, you can switch the faces. Okay, like this. Parting line drafts is already done. So now we will do third draft option. Okay, so we'll create again a body for using taper draft. Okay, now I'll create a split line just like. Okay, and click on OK. Again we will select split line already selected, and click here, select this face and this face. Okay, now you can see our split line is done. Then click on draft, select step draft. Okay, now I'll keep it 10° draft angle. Okay, so click here for the pull direction. Okay, and so we'll select parting line. Okay, so preview, you can see that 10° drafts by step draft is done. You can see in the preview. Okay, if you will reverse the direction, it will be inside like this. You can select this parting line also. like this. Okay, we'll do it outer. You can see there is the tapered steps and perpendicular steps. It's mean now it is tapered. You can see the angle uh, with this and this. Now it is 76. It's mean it's on angle, not a perpendicular. If we want perpendicular these faces, okay, then we will go in edit feature and click on perpendicular. Now you can see these are the perpendicular. Okay, so just like this you can use the draft feature. Okay.